Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Indra Wiji Prakoso, mahasiswa RPL Ugris PJKR tahun 2023. Di sini saya akan mencoba membuat pelampung dengan modifikasi alat sederhana, yaitu menggunakan alatnya 4 botol bekas, kemudian ada gunting, dan selanjutnya laban. Oke, langsung saja. Langkah pertama, kita gabungkan terlebih dahulu botolnya.
Didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything.
Usahakan dalam pengertian rapat ya, biar tidak ada yang lepas. Oke, pelampung modifikasi sudah selesai, begitu mudah. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.